Hello everyone, welcome you all in my channel. So in today's video, we're going to talk about BIM. BIM is Building Information Modeling or Building Information Management. So today's video is mostly focused for civil engineering students and also for those who are civil engineering professionals working in design and construction industry. We are going to talk about the uses of BIM. We are going to talk about what is BIM. We are going to talk also about why BIM and what is the future of BIM in construction and design industry. So please do not skip the video. Please do watch it till the end. It will be very useful for you if you are a fresher, wants to join and step up into the BIM industry. So let's talk about what is BIM. BIM is a process, it's a change in the culture, it's a change in the mindset, the way we work in construction and in design industry. BIM is not a tool, it's not a Revit, it's not any software that you learn and you call yourself as a BIM. So to really call yourself or as a BIM guy or a BIM professional or a BIM company, you have to practice that culture, you have to practice that process for a certain period of time, then only you can be called yourself as a BIM professional. It is the way you do the work, it is the kind of a culture that you incubate within yourself. So it's important to keep this thing in mind whenever you are going or talking to anyone, that if you have done the Revit, it's not actually the BIM. Okay, let's move on to the next section. Why BIM? BIM act as a digital attachment for our construction industry. As we know, the productivity have been declining in construction and design industry. So there is a need for digitization, and BIM basically facilitate that digitization. You can think of it as a catalyst. So what is the role of catalyst? It increases the rate of reaction. So BIM act as a catalyst in our construction and design industry. If you apply a BIM onto the project, it's very high likely that your project will excel and it will save on cost and time. Second, you can also think it as a common language. Since you know that our construction and design industries are very huge and vast, and there are a lot of people of different regions and locations, and it might become sometimes difficult to communicate and collaborate. So you can think BIM as a common language, which act as a common language between all these different parties, thus helps in saving a lot of cost and time, and improves the collaboration and coordination between people, between engineers, clients, subcontractors, and everyone who is involved in this process. Now let's move into the third section, like what is the future of BIM in India? So BIM in India came a little late, but it has been widely adopted in UK, US, Singapore, Malaysia, Hong Kong. So all these regions, the BIM have been adopted, and there are so many regions where the BIM have become mandated by the government. In India, the adoption of BIM have been a little slow. And we can see that it is being adopted by some major construction companies and the design companies, but mostly we have been doing the consultancy job for the projects which is based either in UK, US, and in these markets where the government have already mandated the utilization of BIM. So why it has not been adopted in India, I'll talk about this in some other video. But for now, if you want to step up into the BIM in construction industry, definitely it's a very lucrative job, and you can really earn a lot of money over a long run. So what is the future of BIM in construction in a general sense? So definitely there is a huge scope for BIM in the construction industry. Why? Because first of all, it brings a lot of technology, digitization, and all these new tech which you see into the market. Everything has a scope to integrate with the BIM and produce a kind of output which can really increase the collaboration, coordinations, and make our construction industry more and more better in terms of improving the productivity. So as much technology you can use to improve the design and the construction, the more better it is. And BIM really facilitates that environment and gives you that kind of opportunity where you can integrate this information to enable better construction, better design, and better operation for a client. I hope this video was useful for you, and it might have given you a basic understanding about what is BIM, why it is used in the construction and design industry, what is the future of BIM moving further, and how you can really think about BIM or process about BIM when you really speak or interact with anyone in our industry. So thanks for watching. Hope this was helpful.